Okay, so hey everyone, this side Chris, come back with another new video. Now today in this video I'm going to show you how we can install OrangeFox Recovery in your any Xiaomi phone. Xiaomi phone includes your Xiaomi phone, Redmi phone, Poco phone and Mi series phone. If you having any one of these phone, then how we can install OrangeFox Recovery in your phone? First of all, you have to unlock bootloader of your Xiaomi phone. I will provide video link in description. First unlock bootloader, then after that you can install any custom recovery. First of all, you can notice here I having this Redmi 12 5G and currently running on custom ROM here, and I currently installed here EOS based on Android version 14 here. So if your device running on hyper operating system, MIUI or any other custom ROM, then how we can install here? First of all, tap 7 times on OS version or build number or MIUI version. After that, tap on additional settings. Then you have to open here developer option. After that, you have to enable some toggle here. First, enable here USB debugging. After that, you have to enable here secure debugging feature here. Then you have to required one another Android phone or Android tab here. So I having this Xiaomi Pad 6 as another Android phone. By the help of this Android tab, I am going to flash here OrangeFox Recovery on my Redmi 12 5G here. First, you have to download one application in your secondary phone here. So its name is Bugjigger. You can easily install from Play Store. It's available for free of cost for any one of device here. Okay, so after installing of Bugjigger application, you have to download here Telegram in your phone. Then you have to search your device name here. After that, you have to find here any group of your device or any community of your device here. So my device name is Redmi 12 5G and I got this community or discussion group here. Then you have to search here OrangeFox Recovery, and also you can ask for OrangeFox Recovery and one of people help you definitely. So first you have to find here OrangeFox Recovery, and after that you have to download OrangeFox Recovery in your phone here. And in any case OrangeFox Recovery not showing here, then also you can search here OFox, sometime also uploaded by this name. After that you have to download here zip file of OrangeFox Recovery or .img file of OrangeFox Recovery in your phone. So you can notice here in download section I have already downloaded this OrangeFox Recovery in .img form. If your file in zip format, then you have to extract out this image file from your compressed file here. Then after that you can able to flash this .img file. Before you have to make sure your device minimally 40% charge here. After that, power off your phone. Then you have to boot your device in fast boot mode. For fast boot mode, you have to press and hold here power plus volume down for 5 to 10 seconds. After that, your device will automatic boot in fast boot mode. Then you can notice here this type of logo appear over here, or logo may be different in your case. After that, you have to require one C to C type data cable or A to C type data cable. First, connect the C to C type data cable in your another phone, and after that you have to connect the another side in your phone here. After that, this type of pop-up appear in your secondary phone. Then you have to tap on OK. If you having A to C type data cable, then you required one OTG adapter here. So you have to connect OTG adapter in your secondary phone and charging side in your primary phone. After that, you can notice this type of device code name appear here. It means your device successfully connected with your secondary phone and connection is properly working here. So you have to swipe here and select here Thunder option. Then some case add appear here. Before you have to open any browser here, and you have to search here command for flashing recovery file. So type here your device name. For example, I have a Redmi 12 5G. Then I am going to search here Redmi 12 5G recovery flash command. Okay, so you can notice here this type of command working on my device, fast boot flash recovery. In some case, fast boot flash vendor boot image for flashing recovery. Then you have to search on Google Chrome. Then after that, copy this command here and open Bugjigger application. So after that, tap on this blue icon. Then this type of page appear here. So tap on I understand. Then paste your command. After pasting your command, then you have to put one space. Then tap on attach icon. Then you have to select your OrangeFox recovery.image file here. So select your image file. Then you have to tap on play icon here. So tap on this icon. Then this type of command appear here, sending, receiving or OK, like this type of all these things. After finishing, then you have to press and hold here power plus volume up button for booting your device in recovery mode. So press and hold here power plus volume up button. Okay, when boot logo appear, then you have to release here power button and only hold here volume up button here. So you can notice here my device successfully booted in OrangeFox Recovery here. So by the help of this method, you can easily flash OrangeFox Recovery in your Xiaomi series phone, Poco series phone, Redmi series phone or Mi series phone. Everything is perfectly fine. If you got this video helpful, then like this video and subscribe this channel. We will meet soon in another new video. If you want to reboot your device and system, then tap on menu, select here reboot and tap on system. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching this video.